Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where it's Budget Meal Friday, where we cook delicious meals that won't break the bank. Today we're going to make baked tortellini lasagna. To a large pan over medium-high heat, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Well, now that the oil's heated up, we're going to add our diced onion. And 3 cloves of minced garlic. And I'm just going to use about 1 tablespoon of lazy people garlic. Then we're going to cook this for 3 minutes. Now that the onion and garlic has cooked, we're going to add 1 pound of ground meat. We're going to cook until the beef is brown. Then we're going to drain the grease. Now we're going to mix in 1/3 cup of avocado. And 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. And we're going to add 24 ounces of marinara sauce. We're going to reduce heat and melt the cheeses. Well, now that the cheese is melted, we're going to add 12 ounces of frozen tortellini that we have thawed. Stir those in. And we're going to cook for 7 to 8 minutes. And we're going to add pepper and salt to taste. After 8 minutes, we're going to pour this over into a 9x13. And we're going to add 1 cup of shredded mozzarella to the top. We're going to bake at 400 degrees for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, it's time to eat. Now it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. It's not bad. Could be better. It cost us $20 to make, and it feeds 6 people. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.